In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover lost OneNote files. Losing important notes can be frustrating, but thankfully, OneNote has built-in features that make it possible to retrieve deleted pages and sections quickly and efficiently. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook where your lost notes were originally stored. This step is crucial because the recovery options are tied specifically to each notebook, so you want to make sure you're in the right one. Once your notebook is open, take a look at the top menu and click on the History tab. Within this tab, you'll find an option called Notebook Recycle Bin. This feature acts as a temporary holding area for deleted pages and sections, giving you a chance to recover content before it is permanently removed from your notebook. After clicking on the Notebook Recycle Bin, you'll see a list of deleted pages and sections. Take your time browsing through these items carefully. If you're not immediately sure where your missing note is, check each section one by one. It's easy to overlook something if you move too quickly. When you locate the note or section you want to restore, right-click on it to open a menu of options. Select Move or Copy, which allows you to choose the location where your note will be restored. Then, select the notebook and specific section where you want the content to go, and click Move. With just a few clicks, your note will be restored to its original or chosen location, ready for use again. Before we finish, here's an important tip to keep in mind. Items in the Notebook Recycle Bin are only kept for a limited period, usually up to 60 days. If you notice a missing page, make sure to check the recycle bin as soon as possible to avoid permanent loss. Recovering your lost OneNote files is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By using the Notebook Recycle Bin and the Move or Copy function, you can quickly restore deleted notes and maintain a fully organized notebook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.